Mukhyamantri Udyog Khiladi Unnayan Yojana. On the occasion of National Sports Day, Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami launched Mukhyamantri Udyog Khiladi Unnayan Yojana. Key points. The players of 14 to 23 years will also be given scholarship. The scholarship given to the players of this scheme will depend on their talent. It is being given only for the encouragement of the players. Keeping in view the shortage of sports coaches in the state, 8 sports coaches will be appointed in each district. Chief Minister Sports Development Fund will be formed soon, to give financial benefits to the players as per rules. Efforts will be made again to implement 4% reservation for sportspersons in government jobs as before. In this provision has also been made to provide accident insurance or financial assistance in case of injury to the players. It was also decided to provide travel facility to the players for participating in the competitions. Uttarakhand Sports Policy 2021. The Uttarakhand government had passed the state's new sports policy in November 2021. Under this policy, arrangements have been made to prepare an action plan on the basis of 5 years, 10 years and 15 years to enhance the talent of the players. Along with this, arrangements have also been made to provide high-level training to the players participating in national and international competitions, have also been made to provide high-level training to the players participating in national and international competitions. Similarly, the amount for trainers was also increased. Disabled players have also